When teaching geography, a map of Europe, and the most interesting question is who's got borders with Russia? This is 2023, there's a war going on with Russia and Ukraine, and I explained to my students, yes. And also, Georgia was invaded by Russia 10 years ago, and so was Finland in 1940s. And Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, everybody with a border with Russia should know about it, should be afraid. Look on the map and tell me which countries have got a border with Russia. And the students will look at the map and see, oh look, it goes down here, it's Finland, yeah, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. And then they look further and it's Belarus and Ukraine. And then you have to tempt them over here. Oh, remember Georgia? They go over there, Georgia, Azerbaijan. And you go, oh, and there's two more. And they say, no, there isn't. What about over in the other side? Oh yes, China, Kazakhstan. There are many other countries that have borders with Russia, but in Europe there are two more. Can you see them? And they won't see them. I say, no, look harder. Look at the color of Russia. In the book I was using, it was yellow. Now look for an exclave of Russia, somewhere they took at the end of the Second World War. Over 70 years ago, there's a little piece that used to be German called Kaliningrad. And the Russians held on to it, and they do to this day. And it gives them two more borders, two more European countries, with Poland and Lithuania? I'll have to look again, but it's a good way of making maps interesting, throwing the history in there and saying, hey, know your maps. You've got to know who could be invaded next. Or where to go on holiday, perhaps.